Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see in the title description, this is going to be an unboxing of the new Sig Cross that I just recently purchased for this hunting season coming around. This is my new rifle. It's a 6.5 Creedmoor by Sig Sauer. So when the Sig Cross came out last year, I was looking at it and I really liked it, the rifle, and I wanted to purchase it. But good thing I held off because there was a recall on it. And I'm glad that, I didn't pull the trigger too soon. And I kind of waited until Sig fixed all the recall on it. And this is one of the guns that has already went through the manufacturer and making sure that everything was already fixed before they sold this to me. So I just recently purchased it and I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. Okay, so let's get to it. Set it down here. Alright, so right off the back, you guys can see the packaging here. There's the gun here. You also have the bolt stock here. Some owner's manual, the magazine here, and look like the trigger key lock. All right, so let's go ahead and take it out. Just gonna remove these out the way. So again, this gun. Just gonna take this gun out. And just by holding it, I can tell how light it is. I think this gun is weighing at 6.2 pounds, I believe. Don't quote me on that, but I think that's what I remember. I could be wrong. So here it is, folding stock. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start taking out everything out the box, lay it down on the table, and then we can kind of go through it. This is what all that was in the box. I just took everything out. Again, there's a lock here. There's the bolt. Here's the magazine. Here's the owner manual. There's a sticker in here also. There's a sticker in there. And then this is the trigger lock, which I already had taken it off. So this is, basically this is the layout of it. Let's go ahead and set this aside. Let's go ahead and take this bolt out. So here's the bolt right here. Magazine. So let's go ahead and put this bolt on. So this thing is still new, so everything is still tight. So just turn this to the side here and just line this up right there, and there it goes. So the bolt is on. As you guys can see, the folding stock right there. Lock the bolt in place. And then when you want to unfold it, there's a pin here. Just push it, swing the stock out. So the bolt is on. Empty magazine. Let's go ahead and just clear it, just so you guys can see. Nothing in the chamber. There it is. You guys a better visual of it. The other side. Safety switch. Again, the reason why I like this gun so much was, of course, the weight of it is, like I said, it was weighing at 6.2 pounds, I believe. and it's very compact. Of course, as you can see, you can swing the stock in, you can pack it in your book bag if you need to when you're hiking. Also, right here you have your adjustable stocks. So if you press this button, there's a button right there, you press it, push this pin out, this will adjust back and forth. So you put your cheek on it and rest it, and then you can lock it back in place wherever you like it. Of course, this right here adjusts up and down. This is really good when, like, I guess when you're in a prone position and you really need that to rest on your shoulder. This really help out so that you can adjust it. You can also adjust this forward and backward, and wherever you like it, just lock it back in place. And then also, guys can show you guys, this has already been threaded. This is a 5/8 and 24 thread. This is just a thread cover right here. So that's the thread there. Let's put this back on. So it's already ready for a suppressor or a muzzle brake, whatever one you choose. It's already been threaded onto the barrel, so just save you time. All you gotta do is pick out the right suppressor that you want to use for it. So yeah, this is it. This is my new rifle, hunting rifle that I'm going to be using this year. Hog hunting, deers. Let me know what you guys think about it. And again, like I said, I still gotta add a scope and on it. So make sure you guys don't miss that. Probably gonna put out another video, maybe a scope. Like I might, put on a muzzle brake or a silencer on it, or I don't know. I have some plan I want to do to it. I know it's still new, but I'm just one of those guys who just like to make it look unique and fit my need or what I want to do with it. So. And again, guys, I really appreciate you guys supporting the channel. You guys can like and subscribe and hit that notification button so you guys won't miss any video that I put out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.